Muna natin yung bed.
Meanwhile, much later.
Sarap sa paa. Ang laki ng paa. Tcharan! Maganda kasi wala pang masyadong tao. So ngayon, ayan, ito yung pool area. Ayun, jacuzzi siya.
Alimalag ko na rin camera yun. Maganda yung mga camera nyo.
Maingay na kami guys kasi dumating ang aming madam.
Maligalig ka.
Ang aming madam na napakaligalig.
May bisita kami.
Bisita kami.
Ayan, napakaligalig po.
Huwag ingay na namin.
Ikaw? Sino daw?
It's our day 2.
Ani?
Hello, tita.
Picture more. Picture.
Busy ulit. Re, okay lang sa'yo? Ay, Re. Wag naman sanang umulan. Busy sila mag-picture, oh. Opa. Aura. Barbecue mode na naman sa dashing. Pakatapos lang namin kanina, guys, mag-swimming. Nakita niyo naman. Nag-bis muna kami kasi mag-prepare ng food para sa lunch. So, ayun, dumating na si tita. And susulitin namin now kasi bukas ng morning. Check out na. Oo, na kami.
Kainan na!
Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Ano naman?
Oh, biglang gumanyan na.
Akala ko maaraw ngayon, no?
Mamaya. Kaya kahapon na.
Oo na ba?
Much later.
We're going out there.
Ay, dala ka pang kape ata, tita.
Di namin kayang mag-swimming as of now kasi
Buti kanina nakapag-swimming tayo.
sobrang lamig na ngayon.
Ang lamig na talaga. Parang hindi sana.
Pero at least nasulit natin yung ano yung jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi.
Meanwhile,
Hindi, ay! Yan, mag-score ka. Dadaya na sa kanila. Ano lang yun? Warm up lang. Ano warm up?
much later.
No one will speak Tagalog, Kapampangan, or what. Just English.
You want to swim?
Ah, yes. We swim.
Why
And,
don't you swim?
let's go there and let's take picture. Yes.
We just pick.
Both of you pictures?
Just, no.
No,
You, because as we already had it.
Where?
In the jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi! Jacuzzi! I'm not wearing that. Jacuzzi! wearing my pajama. No, my short is still wet.
Ah, you put your salt in there.
Yes, I put it there so that it will dry. Because I will put it here, there. The mush you will see in my panties. So it's pink.
It's wetting.
It will shock.
It's wetting.
No, it's still wet.
Yeah.
Wait. Because the music he was staring at my panties.
You interrupt me, that's why.
The pinky one, the pinky
Yes, the
part.
Because that is the pink one that I wear when I
Because
have a
that's the
monthly
pink
period. Because the garter is very tight. When I travel, it's very tight, my panty. I don't want the tiba. I'm not wearing tiba during the... Not the sexy one.
Sexy nights.
Yes, sexy nights.
You're imagining
Yes.
something, huh?
No, not imagining. If you feel hot, you should wear proper
Proper.
pajama like
Ano,
90s.
proper.
Well, whatever you feel. Do it and wear it. Make yourself happy.
Yeah.
Because nobody will make you happy.
Only yourself.
What you want? She said, are you doing that? What is that? Can you elaborate what is that?
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Where?
Your time.
In the jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi! Oh my god! They want in jacuzzi! I bring my two-piece.
Mine?
Oh, maybe I cannot wear your mine.
Huh?
Yours! Because it's big. Look at my size and my breast.
They're so blessed with the breast. How about you?
Slightly.
You are blessed with
Yeah,
what?
it's a medium. It's not small, it's not large. It's exactly.
Exactly.
Yes. Size of my height.
Ah.
Okay, and my body. Shall we go?
Do whatever you want.
You want to go
No,
there?
you can use your pinky one there. Use it for a
It's not yet
swimsuit.
wet. What swimsuit?
It's not yet wet.
Right.
No, you can use it. You don't have swimsuit. Yeah, of course. They don't care about it.
It's cotton.
Yeah, they don't
The
care.
pussy will come out. Cannot be. Yes, I'm sweating. Let's go. My English is gone already. It's limited.
Just only for...
Yes, just 2 minutes only. 10 to 15 minutes, my menstruation will come out again.
Meanwhile.
Hi to my people.
Hello.
Why it's so short? What can you say about this place?
It's nice.
It's
Color green.
It's so relaxing.
Oh, how about you, Tita?
Yes.
What can
It's
you
so
say?
relaxing.
Thank you for inviting me here.
Yes, of course. And thank you
Yes.
for the foods.
Yes.
She
You're
bought
welcome.
a lot of food. A lot of
Lot of fun.
Chips.
Yeah. She really loves
She's really funny, huh?
You really love banana. Yes,
Banana. She loves it.
I like banana and chocolate.
Banana and chocolate.
Very nice. The banana is very healthy food.
So guys, we're going to swim again because today is our last day and tomorrow morning we're gonna be at Paris. Oh, bakit ba ako nag-i-English? Yeah, ako kasi muna nag-i-English na to. That's why I need to continue. Okay, continue speaking. Spoken ang No, just kidding. Oh my gosh, I really love this place.
That's why I make patras.
let's go. Where are we going?
Outside.
No, what I told
And
you.
the pool, in the jacuzzi.
Okay guys, so swimming ulit kami. Jacuzzi, hindi naman totally swim, pero magbababad kami sa jacuzzi. And wala, gusto lang din namin sulitin. Who want to take over the vlog?
No,
Take over.
you do the... and I will make you camera. You reverse the...
Dito Jim?
Yes. The two girls. I'm taking the two girls. Oh, they have a swimming there. Swimming time.
There ain't no slowing down when she want it, yeah. And who am I to deny her that fire? Looking for
Later that night. The next morning.
So beautiful people, at ayun na nga, ito na ang aming huling sandali dito sa tent na to or sa camping house na to. Ang camp house na to. And mag-check out na kami this morning. Yan, nakaano na yung mga gamit namin. Yan, nakaayos na. And nalinis na din namin itong room na to kasi we need to fix everything or we need to clean first before we leave. Ano yun? And yes, kita nyo, malinis na siya. Mamimiss ko dito. Mamimiss ko yung vibes dito. So guys, I think dito ko natatapusin yung vlog na to. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for good vibes, and click the notification button for my upcoming vlogs. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Stay safe and blessed, beautiful people.